Hello everyone, very good evening to one and all. Welcome back to the Vichita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Whoever watching first time, please watch till the end of my video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel. And you have to hit the bell icon also. Okay, so let me see the one by one. Before going to that, so already this video is already I have uploaded, but even though some of the students it's not clear, madam, that is the reason again I want to upload this video for you people. Okay, so this in this video I may not able to explain, but I will try to give the clear content for you people. So let me see the one by one. Okay, so like overall vocational courses, GFC is a common subject for everyone, and as well as English also common subject. So after that I will provide the MPHW content as well as the like MLT, physiotherapy, and all those things. So it's clear one by one. So general foundation course. Okay, this is like introduction courses and all. Okay, this is a time schedule, weightage, and blueprint. Okay, next to section A, section B. Section A contains 10 questions, carries 2 marks. The student has to answer all the questions. Section B of question paper contains 8 questions, carry 6. The student has to answer 5 questions. Okay, this is the syllabus of the course. Contains general education, rural education, entrepreneurial development, computer education. Okay, and next coming to the general education, like a weightage of the marks. Okay, weightage in marks, short answers questions, essay type questions. Okay, so next coming to the like a model question paper in this general foundation course model question paper. So this question it may it's this question paper is prepared based up the 100% syllabus. First of all, you have to go through 30% syllabus, and after that you have to see the whether any question is deleted or not. We have to check it. Okay, section B. Next, so we will moving on to the like a 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic general foundation course. Okay, unit 1 general education, early marriages, gender equality, time management, human rights. These are all the topics are deleted. 2 marks questions deleted, 6 marks questions deleted. Okay, next coming to the unit 2 rural education, afforestation, banks and NGOs in rural. 2 marks questions. So this is 2 marks questions, this is 6 marks questions deleted. Next coming to the unit 3 entrepreneur development, entrepreneur competencies and startups. Okay, this is the 2 marks questions deleted and 6 marks questions deleted. Next one is the 4th unit computer education, types of computers and its classification. Okay, these are all the things in the topics. 2 marks questions, this is the 8 marks, so 6 marks questions deleted. So this is overall the, see here, this is overall 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 for the all vocational groups in the subject of the GFC for the first year students. Okay, next coming to the next English. This is the English is common, like how the GFC is common for all vocational groups. In the same way, English is a common language for all the vocational students. So this 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic English first year. See here, module 1. This topics are not for the exam purpose. This is the topics are deleted. Module 1 short story, umbrella man. Module 2 in the unit 5 prose and short story also deleted. Module 3 poetry, climate change deleted, that is a unit 10. Unit 21, that is a module 6th study skills, information transfer and flow charts, tables and route maps and all. Module 1 prose and my mother. Unit 1 poetry, a little grain of gold. Unit 2 language and usage. Unit 4 parts of speech, articles. Okay, revision test 1. Next module 2 unit 6 unit 8, that is a poetry and language usage, prepositions, revision test 2. Okay, module 3 prose and short story, on the rule of the road and the medal, language and usage, unit 12. Revision test 3 also deleted. Module 5th language and usage, correction of errors in sentences, then it's unit 20. Unit 21 language and usage, study skills, except information transfer, flowcharts, tables, route maps and pages from 249 to 253. Comprehension passages and unit 22 model question paper. So I will, it's clear now. So once again I will show the, okay, see here. So this is the, it's not clear, okay, rolled doll. Okay, this is a writers or authors also we can call it. So this umbrella man is written by the Roald Dahl. Okay, that's the reason we can call the writer's name, or sometimes we can call as authors also. Source, internet, these are all the things. Okay, go through this one. Okay, see this one module. English is must and should. You have to know the syllabus, isn't it? We cannot write in home, no? That's the reason you have to thorough with the English syllabus before going to the examinations. With this author's name and all. Okay, so next coming to the next, this is question model question paper. See here. Okay, you have to go through the question paper and all. I may not discuss, but please go through this question paper. Okay, so read the non-verbal data given in pie chart below and answer any 4 questions given after it. Next section C, 8th one, 9th one, any 4. So this is the like a with their meanings and definitions in column B is clear. The 9th is over. Next coming to the 9th continuation. Next 10th one. Sales representatives. Next coming to the 12th. Write a letter to the principal of your college requesting him to issue your transfer bona fide conduct certificate. This is for portion. Okay. Part of study, no dues, issue of transfer bona fide and conduct certificate request regarding they have given like a, so the keywords when you're writing letter, these keywords you can use it, or otherwise a letter to the editor based on the hints given below. These are the hints. Or otherwise write a letter to the district collector requesting him or take necessary steps to close and use the open borewells which create a big threat to children. Okay. Next 13th one is the make notes. By following this passage we have to make a notes. Next come the teen. Okay, next this is also overall. So till now I completed the question paper. So one more model question paper I will show you for you people. So this is one more example question paper for you people. So this is the last year question paper. This is the answer any 2 of the following questions in about 100 words each. Okay, this one. In this also you have to see, this is the question paper is prepared for the 100% syllabus. Okay, but you have to check it whether this question is deleted or not. We have to check it before reading this question. Okay, this model question paper like before corona batch, this question was this paper was came. That's the reason it's maybe useful for you people. So that is the reason you have to go to this section here, like answering 2 of the following questions in about 100 words. Like any 2 you can here the A, B, C, there are 3 choice will be there. You can attempt to any 2 and 1 choice will be there. Okay, you have to go and answer any 2 of the following questions in about 100 words each. 2 into 4, 8. Any 2. In this also A, B, C will be there. 1 choice is there. You have to go through that. Answer any one of the following questions in about 100 words. 1 into 4, 4. Okay. So next coming to the it's clear now. We'll check it once. Okay. So next coming to the section B. So section B, fourth question continue. Read the following passage carefully and answer any 4 questions given after it. 4 into 1, 4. Okay, if you attempt this one, you may get the 4 marks. Okay, this they have given some of the passage based on. First you have to read this passage based on the passage. So whatever you get the like a knowledge or idea or concept regarding this passage, and some of the questions will be there. According to passage, you have to write the question to answer. Okay. Next, the sixth one, for each question carries here the overall they are given 4 marks. Like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will be there, but you will, if you attempt to 6, you will get the 4 marks. Next, read the following passage carefully and answer any 4 questions given after it. Any 4. Okay. In this also, okay, any 4 questions. Okay, any 4 questions. They have a 6 in there, but 4 more. Okay. Next here, in this any 4 questions, Kaloji Narayan Rao is a poet, freedom fighter, anti-fascist and political activist of Telangana. Kaloji is acclaimed as Prajakavi. He was the first modern Telugu poet to write free verse. His popular Na Godava provides profound insights into the varied issues and contraindications of his time, and his autographical writing Ide Na Godava is historical reflective. So this all this story will be there. We have to read 3 or 4 times, read, no problem for that. Okay. One time it's you may not understand. 2 times little bit you can understand. Third time little bit comparing to you may get little bit idea. Okay. So once I can go to this question paper. Okay, next one is the continuation of this one. Kaloji was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian honor in the country. He was also awarded honorary Director Republic Kakatiya University Warangal in 1992. The Telangana government celebrated his birth anniversary 9 September as Telangana Language Day. Okay. In this, you have to attempt any 4 questions. If you attempt 4 questions, you may get each question carries 1 mark. Okay. Next comes the section C. Answer of this question C must be written at one place in the same serial order. Fill in any 4 blanks with A, N or D. So each one carries half mark. Okay, here also fill in any 4 blanks. Okay, you have to check it once. Next, to fill in any 4 blanks with suitable prepositions. Each blank carries half mark. If you attempt to 4, you may get the 2 marks. Next one is section serial number 8. Fill any 4 blanks with suitable verbs given in brackets. 4 into 1, 4. So here also, here 6 columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there, but you have attempted any 4 columns. So if you attempt 1, you may get the 1 mark. You see, any 4. Next, rewrite any 4 of the following sentences, correct the errors. 4 and half, 4 into half, 2 marks. So each column you may get the half mark, but you have to attempt any 4. Next, 10th one, supply the missing letters in any 4 of the following words. 4 into half, 2. Okay, here also. Next, identify the silent consonants in any 4 of the following words. So each one is the half mark. If you attempt 4, you will get 2 marks. Okay, identify the parts of the speech of any 4 of the following underlined words. Half mark each one. If you have to attempt any 4, if you carry 1, half mark you will get. 4 you will attempt, 2 marks you will get. 13th one, match any 4 of the following words in column A with their meanings in column. Column A, column B will be there. Okay, same thing. If you attempt half mark, you may get the. Okay. Next come the 14th one. Circle any 4 of the following words that sound different with regard to the sounds of the bold letters. G, groaning, gent, like this. Okay. Next come 15th one. Look at the tree diagram given below. It's a representation in the types of teeth in human body. Convert the tree diagram into a paragraph. Okay, teeth, incisors, canines, premolars, molars, cut and bite food, hold and tear food, crush and grind food, grand food. So next B. So one more, draw a flow chart. This is a pie chart, like a tree chart. So this paragraph consisting of the draw a flow chart based on the information given below. You have to read this passage. Okay, based on passage, you have to answer this tree chart. It's near. This is general foundation course, final paper, section A, section B. Okay, in Telugu, section A, next section B. Okay, so next, community health nursing. Sorry. Okay. Next, community health promotion paper. This one. Next in Telugu. Okay. Third paper, primary health care nursing. Telugu paper, English medium paper. Next Telugu version. Pharma technology. Syllabus. Okay. 30% deleted questions. This paper too. Next paper 3. Model question paper view. Paper 2 question paper. Paper 3 question paper. Okay, next one's lab technician course. This is the first year syllabus, theory and practicals. Skills in biochemistry by first year MLT students. Skills in first year MLT students. This is the blueprint. OJT evaluation marks. Based on this performance, you may get the OJT marks. This is the biochemistry paper 1 syllabus. Paper 2. In this deleted questions also is there. You have to go through this. Deleted 30% deleted and remaining 70% syllabus. Overall 100% syllabus. The cut marks, some of the cards will be like this. Like this, these are deleted questions. Okay. Okay, next paper 2. Paper 3, anatomy and physiology. Model question paper in the subject of the biochemistry for the MLT students. Next paper 2. Section B questions. Next paper 3, anatomy and physiology, section B questions. So this 30% deleted content, already we have discussed about 30% syllabus. In this separately they have given 30% deleted content. Unit 1 introduction scope of biochemistry. This is the topics are deleted. Medical lab organization, 2 marks questions. This is overall topics, 2 marks questions or 6 marks questions deleted. Okay, next unit 2, reception, identification, registration, biochemical parameters for investigation. This parameters deleted. This 4, 10, 2 marks questions deleted. 6 nothing is deleted, like unit 3. So unit 3 deleted questions, topics 2 marks questions. Okay, for unit 4. Unit 4, instruments used in biochemistry. This is the actually the columns. This is unit name, topics 2 marks questions, 6 marks questions. This column. Unit 4, these topics are deleted. Unit name, topics 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions. Next unit 6, topics 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions deleted. Next coming to the unit 7, hazard safety, topic 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions. 8th unit, collection of specimens, urine 2 marks questions, 6 marks questions. Next unit 9, urine biochemical parameters deleted. These topics are deleted. Next unit 10, units of measurements. Next unit 11, solutions, normal solutions deleted. Topic 2 marks questions, 6 marks questions deleted. Next one is the unit 12, carbohydrates and lipids, saturated fatty acids. This everything is deleted content. Unit 13, 14, 15. See here, topics 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions deleted. Next coming to the part 2, microbiology and pathology. Okay, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, this topics 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions. Next unit 4, 5, 6 topics. These are these topics 2 marks questions, 2 marks questions, 6 marks questions, topics, these columns deleted. Next unit 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these topics deleted topics. Next unit 10. Okay, these topics deleted. Next coming to the continuation of this unit 11. Next unit 12, 13, 14, 15 deleted. Next unit 16, 17. Next week paper 3, anatomy and physiology. Next, these are all the things. Unit name, topics 2 marks questions and 6 marks questions also deleted. Next 8, 9, 10. Next unit 1. So up to 12th unit anatomy. Next continuation of unit 1 physiology. Unit 4, 5, 6. Deleted one. Next unit 10. Okay. So here I discussed now like a 30% deleted content, For the MMLT first year student, the subject of biochemistry, microbiology, pathology, and anatomy and physiology. Physiotherapy also in the same time. This is the blueprint of the subjects syllabus for the subjects paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Next, evaluation of the marks in OJT period. Paper 1 anatomy and physiology. Next, so in this contraceptive method is deleted. Some are already hit this topic is deleted. You have to go to this. Paper 2 is the psychology, abdominal psychology. Okay, these are the topics, deleted topic, this one and all, aptitudes and all. Menopause syndrome deleted. Paper 2 is the biomechanics and the exercise therapy. Joint mobility is deleted. Type of muscle work. Classification effects, uses, postural drainage, position, everything is deleted. Okay. So this is the paper 1, anatomy and physiology for the physiotherapy students. Okay, paper 2 model question paper, psychology and abnormal psychology. Paper 2, biomechanics and exercise therapy, model question paper. This is a 30% deleted content in view of COVID-19 pandemic for anatomy and physiology. See this one. 30% deleted content. See here. Next. This paper 2 psychology and abnormal psychology. Next paper 3, biomechanics and exercise therapy. This is the name of the unit, topics, 2 marks questions, and the last one is 6 marks question. These are 6 marks questions. Deleted topic. So once again go through this paper, 30% deleted content for the physiotherapy students in subject paper 1. Next paper 2. Unit 4 and 1, 2, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 6 not there, 7, 8, 9 is there, 10 is not there, 11 is not there, 12 is not there. So who is not missing, that is should be there. So whatever it is there, this is the deleted topic. MPHW, already you know very well about the MPHW course and all. We may have 3 subjects: community health nursing, health promotion, primary health care nursing. OJT percentage, how they will do the mark based on this performance and activity. This is community health nursing, paper 1, syllabus. This is deleted. Community survey deleted. National health programs deleted. Hypersensitivity deleted. Records and reports deleted. This is all so many times I repeated. That's the reason I am not explaining. With 3 is deleted. Health problems deleted. Academic mapping deleted. Paper 2, health promotion. Syllabus, objectives, Notation in this nothing is deleted. First and second unit we have to read. Third also read. Fourth also read. Fifth same thing. Sixth no deleted. Everything we have to read. Next is third paper. Body hygiene. See here. Some of the topics are deleted. This model question paper. So here again if you have any doubt you can go through this. See, like separately they have given like a see here community health and 30% deleted content view of COVID-19 here. Concept of health is deleted, concept and structure is deleted, list of the community services available in our country, community assessment, that is unit. In that unit community survey deleted, home which nothing is there, everything you have to read. Health problems and policies, national health programs is deleted. Next, sixth communication health education approach is deleted. Principles and approach of health education. Community based rehabilitation is deleted. Infection, mode of transmission, microbes, deleted topics. These are all the things. Immunity, hypersensitivity, immunization records and reports, environmental sanitation, smoke, safe water deleted. Disposal of excretum. Next, disposal of excretant waste. These are all these topics. The unit name. These topics 2 marks questions. Next, essential nutrients in unit 1. Minerals deleted. Bright source of calcium. Calcium minerals. In that calcium, fats deleted. Deficiency of diseases deleted. Okay, unit 1 minerals, calcium, fat deleted. Nutritional assessment, deficiency of disease deleted. Health practices, nothing is there. Promotion of nutrition, food preparation is deleted. Human body, spleen, saliva, meningitis, cerebrum, tongue is deleted. This question is also deleted. Mental health developmental stages is deleted. Referral of mental illness deleted. Mental psychiatric emergency is deleted. Okay, this one. Health promotion. Last paper 3, primary health care nursing. Okay, these are all the topics are deleted. Go through once. Next, okay. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.